Hey guys, it's Dr. Dollar Does Transport here. Today in this video, we're going to take the 39 Tour Express bus route, one stop. But then I also forgot to tell you, since the last video, that we are going to be doing, showing you how to buy tickets through cash, not through contactless payment. So,
Fourth and Nimitz. Fourth and Nimitz. Fourth and Florida Avenue.
Let me check.
San Pablo Transit Terminal. Sierra Street, San Luis Road.
Hold on. Gotta get the bus.
Sierra Street.
So there's the next bus route. So
Lincoln Street. Lincoln Street. Nimitz and 3rd. Lincoln Street.
So
Hey boss.
West Oakwood High Street. Nimitz and 3rd. San Pablo and San Luis Road. Main Avenue. Lincoln Street.
So we need to go to
Lincoln Street. West Oak Lincoln Street. Main Nimitz East. Lincoln Street. Lincoln Street. Lincoln Street.
we need to
West Oak Lincoln Street. Lincoln Street.
I need to go to Lincoln Street, and then we need to drive Route 13. I need to go to Lincoln Street, and then to take the
Nimitz and St. Anthony Church.
Route 13, sorry. Whoa, there's a lot of buses. That's going to be causing a jam because
Chinatown West.
of the weird games that the game owner, I think it's Astragon Entertainment, the one that builds this game. So we're going to have to show you how to get tickets through contactless payment. I mean, not through contactless payment, through cash. So we're just only going one stop. Well, that's a bit laggy. People crossing in the street. Not supposed to. Unauthorized. Definitely not cool. Alright, let's say bye-bye to this 39. Yeah, no, you can change. Bus. Yep, this is the team.
Hi, boss.
Yeah, let me see how that works out.
Is Baron Blade recruiting?
Yesterday I had a coffee with Trish. Such a lovely person. She knows so much about the city's culture.
Marina is next. You will hear this sound when trams come. Coyote Bush North is next.
I was raised on a farm. I miss it sometimes, but I'm more of a city person.
Found a way to cure the
Shops roadside service.
Oh, I think this is going to be working out as good. So this is how you do this. It's the same thing, but not tapless. So you see these highlighted things right there? This is how you get it. So if for example, if this shows changes owed 140, I click the seconds of this one, which is this, and then the 0.20 twice.
Thanks. I don't mean to bother you, but I need some information.
So we're going to keep on doing this. So if, again, we repeat the same thing, So, this is the one that I forgot to show you in the first videos of this Bus Simulator 21 Next Stop quests.
Ah, that's my stop.
Sunshine Retreat.
So, I will repeat the same thing again. I might repeat the same thing again. So, until we get to the Fisherman Point station, I will repeat. Inside to an old police station. Sorry. Old police station is next. Police station.
Old Police First Street.
Dun, 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 dun.
Old Police Station.
Arios. So, you do the same thing again. We're gonna practice this until you get it. For those who haven't played Bus Simulator 21 Next Stop before, is you can either do it, you can either change the settings for the cashier on board bus. So you can, but also if you were late like that this thing that it just set up there for me, you will lose hours. So anyways, this is the end of our video. Please subscribe for more videos on Dr. Dollar Does Transport. You can also give me you can also leave a like if you enjoyed it. And yep, please do these things. Bye everybody.